Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the application was unable to start correctly error fix in Windows 10, 8, and 7. Type system configuration in Windows search bar. Click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. SFC, /scan now. Type exit from command prompt. Third method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Windows. Open Load App in it DLLS. Change value data to 0. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.